Yo. Hi guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to test if your face mask that is made with fabric actually works. Because today it's really obvious that we all want to make face masks, either by ourselves or by our tailors or by industries that make clothes. So, since everybody wants to make nose masks, don't you think it's very important for us to know if our face mask is actually going to work? And there is a simple test to know if our face mask can actually protect us from, not just from the virus, but from anything. So I'm going to show you in this video how to test if your face mask can actually protect you from anything. I'm also going to show you the characteristics of a face mask that can protect you, meaning a face mask that can kind of protect you from the virus. Keeping in mind, disclaimer alert. 1. There is no evidence that your fabric face mask can actually protect you from the virus. 2. Even when you're wearing a face mask and you're going out, there's still the need for you to practice social distancing, wash your hands, not touch your face if your hands is dirty. But because you're going to be wearing a fabric mask, naturally you're going to feel protected, and that is the it. So let's see if your fabric face mask can protect you. So I'm going to show you the little trick that you are going to use in having a little assurance that your face mask can work. 2, I'm going to show you the characteristics of a face mask that can actually work. If your nose mask or your face mask fails this test, I'm 100% sure that it cannot protect you against the virus. Get that? I'm not going to tell you that this is actually the test that is going to show that your face mask can protect you from the virus. But if your face mask fails this test, throw it away. I'm going to show you. Bye. Okay.
There's the guy that is going to come now. You see him? You see him? Yes. I know this guy. Well, he's going to test if his mask is working. So what he is doing right now is he's blowing air through the mask. Because, blowing air is like you're talking. And you're not going to be blowing air. So if you're going to be talking, so if it doesn't go off, if the match or the lighter doesn't go off, it means air is not really passing through, meaning that your droplets, those infectious droplets, might not go through as you're wearing it. And it might not come in, very high probability. Then it has to be tight on the cheek area, see? It has to be tight so that, in case the virus is raining, it can't go through. Then it has to be close under your jaw towards your neck area. Beard gang, Then why is he giving us thumbs up? They ask you to do that. Then you should be able to breathe out and breathe in. By the way, this mask is double, an Ankara outside and Ankara inside. Then there's light fusing, the one they call cluster. Stop giving us thumbs up. Bye. Don't come back. It's coming back. It's giving us. Go.
Hey guys, I'm sure you enjoyed the video. So if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And you could press the bell too, so you would know when I post another video, because another video is coming. I'm going to show us fabrics, especially in Nigeria, Africa, around here, fabrics that we can use, that might work, and how we are going to use them, because the whole idea of wearing a mask is for it to protect. It's not for it to look beautiful. So I'm going to show us all that in the next video. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.